Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is stir-fry beancurd knot with Tauchu paste. Hope you like it. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Bean knots and bean paste taste very good together. This dish is very delicious. Optimal to add chili for spicy taste. Let's start cooking. Stir-fry beancurd knots with Tauchu paste. Ingredients: beancurd knots, Tauchu paste, ginger, chopped garlic, coriander. Chopped ginger. Chopped coriander. Stir-fry chopped ginger. Add chopped garlic. Stir-fry minced meat until turned white. One tablespoon Tauchu paste. Add beancurd knots. Pour 2 tablespoons water. Black soy sauce to add color. One teaspoon pepper powder. Add coriander and stir-fry. Plate it. Let's eat. Me and my family love this home dish so much. Hope you like it too. Give it a try, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, ya. Bean nuts are a type of bean products, also called bean skin nuts. They are very nutritious, soft, chewy, and fragrant. Whether they are fried, cooked in hot pot, or stewed, they taste very good. Do check out other beancurd nut recipe I share in my channel, ya.